This is the tallest hotel in the world, standing 365-meter high with 82 floors and more than 1,000 rooms right here in Dubai. Inside this incredible skyscraper, you will find sky-high infinity pools, luxury rooms and restaurants, stylish lounge, a massive gym and even an observation deck. So in this video, I spent almost 24 hours here from sunset to sunrise experiencing everything this record-breaking hotel has to offer. From the stunning rooms and dining spots to the relaxing pool areas and world-class facilities. But here is the crazy part. During check-in, we got 2 surprise upgrades, and the final upgrade took us all the way to the 68th floor. From our room, we could see the iconic Palm Jumeirah, the legendary Atlantis de Palm, and more than 8 luxury hotels and attractions across the skyline. Let's check into the tallest hotel in the world. Check-in starts at 3 p.m. and the moment we arrived, the staffs greeted us warmly, handled our luggage and escorted us to the reception, a true sign of great hospitality. As soon as you step inside this 5-star luxury hotel, the lobby feels grand and impressive. Located at the Dubai Marina, the hotel features a striking architectural design and modern and contemporary interiors. The reception area is stunning with a beautiful shell-inspired design, elegant chandeliers and a very luxurious atmosphere. Right at the entrance, there is also a tall interactive LED touchscreen wall that creates different shapes when you touch it, making it a great photo spot for guests. Check-in was quick, smooth and very welcoming. To our surprise, we got not 1 but 2 upgrades. Maybe due to our gentle look and kind attitude, the front office staff surprised us with a free upgrade to the 33rd floor. I'll show you this room at the end of the video. However, since this room apparently had twin beds and we wanted a double bed, the staff surprised us with an ultimate upgrade to the 68th floor executive rooms. Guys, we are at the 68th floor and the view from this room is amazing. That's what they told us. Let's check it out. Welcome to the room tour. Upon entering the room, the guest service staff even gave us a small room tour explaining all the features. The room had touch control buttons to manage almost everything. Lights, curtains and many room functions can be controlled easily. There is also a TV display showing hotel information and services, including a butler service.
The butler service, we do have butler service also.
Butler service. But the real highlight is the view from the window. You will be surprised to see what is behind these curtains. This is the view from my room and this is really breathtaking. I can feel that I'm at the higher floors. I can see almost all famous luxury hotels and attractions. Right in front of me, I can see the iconic Palm Jumeirah. Let me also show you the luxury hotels which I can see from here. This is Atlantis de Palm. And next to that you can see the Royal Atlantis. This is the Palm Tower which has the view and the Aura Sky Pool. Next we are seeing the famous 7-star hotel, the Burj Al Arab. Beside that you can see the Burj Khalifa. From this side we can see the Dubai Skydive. Now let me continue the room tour. The bed is very comfortable with side tables on both sides. Each side table has its own room control panel. There is also a clock with Bluetooth speaker and wireless charging. The hygiene is top notch. Everything was spotless.
You can see this Bluetooth, this is a speaker.
Okay.
Plus you can charge your iPhone.
Oh, nice.
They mentioned we have the control panel here also.
There is a dressing table with large mirror stretching to the ceiling, coffee machine. Below there is a mini bar but only 2 bottles of water. The tea and coffee setup is complimentary and the cups even had the hotel name embossed on them. And the furniture follows a soft beige theme which feels very elegant. Below the TV there is a rack with a hairdryer and 2 additional storage. The carpet on the floor looks beautiful and premium. The room has a 2-door wardrobe with extra pillows, blankets, safe locker, bathrobes, slippers and ironing board.
We have prayer mat. And slippers and an ironing board.
Right.
And we have a very good feature in the bathroom.
He led me to the washroom to show a special feature. Privacy comes at the click of a button.
This button.
Okay.
As you can see the glass for privacy.
Okay. A large round mirror comes with the defog button to clear steam instantly. This quiet design wash basin is paired with hotel's own hand wash and lotion.
It's a Oman company.
Okay, so this is your own product.
Yeah, own product.
Complimentary vanity kits and fresh towels were also available. The shower area is separate with both rain and hand shower. Weighing machine which we did not use. In this one, nothing. This is a perfect spot to enjoy a cup of coffee with a full view of the palm. My plan is to do it tomorrow morning. The cars on the road look so tiny. My wifey seems like she's on top of the world right now. She'll definitely see me as a genius for planning this stay. The elevator lobby is huge with enough lifts to keep you moving. The elevator is super fast, it transports you in fraction of minutes, and while moving you can also see the beautiful Palm Jumeirah view through this glass. It's going so fast like Ferrari. Next, we are exploring the pool area. Nuage Pool Bar is located beside the pool deck of Ciel Dubai Marina. This stylish poolside restaurant offers a relaxed and vibrant atmosphere with beautiful views of Dubai Marina. There are actually two pools. The main pool is long and overlooks the city skyline and the Persian Gulf. Pool lawn chairs are arranged around the pool and towels are already placed on them. The pool is located in level 11 and you can see all the skyscrapers around. It's the perfect place to soak up the sun, unwind and enjoy the vibrant poolside atmosphere. There is also a 360-degree corridor that connects to the second pool area. The second pool is small but perfect for enjoying the sunset. We enjoyed a beautiful sunset from here with skyscrapers glowing and the sun slowly sinking into the Arabian Sea. Right next to the Nuage Pool Bar is this stunning washroom. Subtle colors, warm lights, sleek lockers. Every washroom here is beautifully designed and wait till you see the next one in the gym area. Truly commendable. Night ambience by the pool at Ciel Dubai Marina feels unreal. The hotel blends seamlessly into the skyline and a giant screen keeps the vibe lively. Cool breeze, soft lighting and peaceful surrounding, the perfect way to unwind in Dubai Marina. West 13 restaurant is located on the 13th floor of Ciel Dubai Marina. It's a Mediterranean-inspired restaurant with 360-degree views of Dubai Marina and Palm Jumeirah. Modern interiors with soft lighting and cozy feel. It's also a really nice spot for dinner with a beautiful view of Dubai Marina. The whole place feels stylish and perfect for a relaxed evening. The marina skyline just outside, West 13 blends great food with a setting that feels elegant. Dubai Marina at night is another level. This is where the city's energy truly comes alive. Along the Marina Walk, you will find a long stretch of posh restaurants, lively pubs and cafes, every corner bustling with people, music and life. The hotel is located near to Marina Yacht Club and the view is amazing. There are supermarkets, restaurants and convenience stores and a great view wherever you turn. We are sipping our morning coffee, enjoying this spectacular view. The next morning, we explored the health club at Ciel Dubai Marina located on the 61st floor. As soon as you walk in, everything feels brand new, fresh, clean and barely used. The gym is fully equipped with modern machines, free weights, complimentary towels and refreshing drinks. Everything you need for a perfect workout. And the view? From up here, you can clearly see Blue Waters Island along with stunning Dubai skyline all around you. At this hotel, it's not something new because every corner offers already something incredible. This is the magic mirror exercise screen at the gym. It looks like a normal mirror, but it turns into a smart workout screen. You can find guided exercises right in front of you. It's easy to use and feels like having a personal trainer. Even the bathroom area is impressive, sleek, luxurious and thoughtfully designed. In fact, the hand wash area stands out the most. Imagine washing your hands with the backdrop of the Dubai skyline. We started our day with the breakfast at the East 14 restaurant in Ciel Dubai Marina. The staff welcomed us warmly and guided us to our tables.
Hi.
The restaurant is designed in a circular layout, giving you a 360-degree view as you move through this space. As we stepped in, the interiors immediately caught our eyes, with a stunning ceiling, elegant chandelier, and a bright, stylish atmosphere. The breakfast spread was very impressive. There were live omelette counters, fresh pastries, desserts, fruits, and a lot of international dishes. With live cooking stations and freshly prepared food, there is something for everyone to try. The restaurant has separate sections, so it feels spacious and comfortable. And while enjoying all this, you also get stunning view of Dubai Marina skyline and Arabian Gulf. It's more than just a breakfast, it's a full dining experience. Inside the hotel, there is also Raisin Cafe and Bakery. Raisin Cafe is a warm, inviting space in Dubai, perfect for coffee lovers. Awarded as the best coffee in the UAE, Raisin offers a cozy spot for tasty treats and relaxation. The Nest Club Lounge at Ciel Dubai Marina is an exclusive executive lounge located on the 16th floor of the world's tallest hotel. This elegant space is reserved for guests staying in executive rooms and suites, offering a more private and premium experience, which means we have access to it.
You should have joined us when you were staying.
It's too late now. I'm checking out. I
Next
missed
time
this
that
actually.
You will be.
Yeah.
You will be coming back.
Sure.
Yeah,
Next time.
Yeah, next time.
Thank you.
We'll see you soon.
See you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is the highlight of this hotel. Tattu at Ciel Dubai Marina takes you on a journey in 3 unique chapters. The House of Dragon offers modern Chinese food, cozy seating, an amazing view of Dubai Marina and the Palm. The House of Koi on level 76 is calm and peaceful, home to world's tallest infinity pool and beautiful sunset views. At the top, the House of Phoenix on the 81st floor brings on bold design, stunning lighting, and luxury feel. During our visit, the rooftop pool at Tattu was closed due to security measures. Also, this area is not included with the hotel stay. It's a separate venue costing around 600 AED. And remember, I told you about the room at the beginning, the one we got as our first upgrade. This is the room. Overall, our stay at Ciel Dubai Marina Vintage Collection was truly amazing. From the record-breaking height of the luxury rooms, stunning views, and excellent hospitality, everything felt special. This stay is a memorable experience for us. The staff were friendly and made our stay even more enjoyable. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's completely free. See you in the next adventure.